How to unlink Google Photos from Gmail? Have you ever wondered how to break the link between your Google Photos and your Gmail account? This can be useful if you're concerned about storage space, privacy, or just want more control over your photos. Let's go through the steps together. First, you need to understand that Google Photos is part of your broader Google account, which includes Gmail, Google Drive, and other services. To unlink Google Photos from your Gmail, you essentially need to remove the Google account associated with Google Photos from your device. Open the Google Photos app on your device and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to the Settings menu. Here you'll see a list of all the Google accounts linked to your device. Select the account you want to remove, and then choose the option to Manage Accounts on this device. Once you're in the Account Management section, you'll see the option to Remove from this device next to the account you selected. Click on this to remove the account. This action will disconnect the Google Photos app from that particular Gmail account on your device. Another way to do this is through your device's settings. Go to your device's Settings menu, find the Apps or Applications section, and locate the Google Photos app. You can either disable the app or uninstall it entirely. If you choose to disable or uninstall, the link between Google Photos and your gallery will be severed. It's important to note that removing the Google account from your device will also affect other Google services like Gmail and Google Drive, so make sure you're okay with that before proceeding. If you're looking for a more temporary solution, you can also disable the Backup and Sync feature in Google Photos. This will stop the automatic synchronization of your photos and videos without fully removing the account. By following these steps, you can easily unlink Google Photos from your Gmail account and gain more control over your photo library.